students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.1, question number 1. The question is, find the ratio of the following. The speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of the scooter 30 km per hour. So they are asking to find out the ratio. Okay. So in order to find out the ratio, both the things it should be in the same quantity, right? That is, we can say that units it should match. Okay. For example, here also 15 km per hour, here also 30 km per hour. So both are same, kilometer per hour. So we can easily find out the ratio just by dividing both. Okay. So since they are asking the ratio, so speed of a cycle to speed of the scooter, right? So this ratio we are going to find out. So both are in the same units, right? So 15 km, so divided by 30 km per hour. Okay. So 15 by 30 we have to find out. So here we can apply 5 tables, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. Okay. So again we can divide. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. It is 1 by 2. So since it is ratio, we can write it as 1:2. Coming to the second problem, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Okay, so here it is meter, here it is kilometer. Okay, so directly we cannot write the ratio. First, both the units it should be same. Okay, so one is meter. Okay, another one is kilometer. Whichever is big one, you just convert that into smaller one. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer it is equal to 1000 into 10. Okay, so it is nothing but 10,000. Okay, so now coming to the ratio. Okay, what they are saying, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Okay, so meter, first one above unit is meter. So just write meter as it is. What about 10 kilometer? 10 kilometer it is equivalent to 10,000 meter. Okay. So we have to write here as 10,000. Okay. So just now once we have written properly with the proper units, then we can apply the division. Okay. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So in the end we have 3 zeros, just write as it is. So 1 by 2000. So the ratio we can write it as 1:2000. Coming to the third problem, it is 50 pice to rupees 5. Okay. So here again, here it is paise, here it is rupees. Okay. So which is a small, paise is a small. We have to keep that as it is. Okay. Rupees is bigger one. So 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? 100 paise, right? So 100 paise. So rupees 5 they have given. So 5 rupees it is equivalent to 5 into 100 paise. So which is nothing but 500 paise. Okay. So now once we have converted with the proper units, we can come to the ratio finding. Okay. So 50 paise to rupees 5. Rupees 5. Okay. Which is equal to 50 paise, right as it is 50 paise, rupees 5 what we have converted 500 paise, right. So 500 paise. So now 0 0 get cancelled, 5 tables when we apply it is 1, right. So end we have 0, just write as it is. So 1 by 10, which we can write it as 1:10. Thank you. Thanks for watching.